Hey there everyone, I hope you all are doing well and enjoying this beautiful summer. I just wanted to drop in and share a little update on why I've been a bit quieter than usual. Summer is in full swing and I've been soaking up every moment of it in the garden. With the kids home from school, our days have been filled with adventures, laughter, and lots of family time. Whether we're exploring new parks, diving into pool days, or just enjoying lazy afternoons with ice cream, it's been a whirlwind of fun and memories. As you can imagine, all this excitement leaves me with a bit less free time for other things. But honestly, I wouldn't trade it for the world. These summer months are precious, and I'm cherishing every second with my little ones. I promise I'll be back to my usual routine soon with plenty of stories to share. Until then, I hope you're all creating your own wonderful summer memories and enjoying life to the fullest. Now I'll keep it quiet for the rest of the video so you can see a day in the life of a woman trying to get her garden together. This wind chime is very special to me, and it was gifted to me by a very good friend, and every time the wind blows, it reminds me of her. Such a beautiful and thoughtful gift. Catch you in the next video.